Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef here John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make short crust pastry. Yeah man, it's one of the simplest pastry out there to make, and it makes some of the best desserts. So forward, let me show you what I'm going. So to start this short crust pastry, you need an all-purpose flour, and we're gonna go in with some unsalted butter or margarine. Now I have here some margarine, right? And this is straight from the fridge. You need this to be cold. So we just get a bread knife and we just cut that up into small cubes. You can use this on a cutting board, but you notice I'm using a bread knife, right? You don't hurt yourself. Then we're gonna go in with our salt, and I'm using sea salt. And then we're gonna crumble that into like a medium-sized breadcrumb consistency. I'm gonna go in with both hands to make this process speed up a bit more. So if you have a food processor, that would be even greater, you know, because less handling of the butter will prevent it from melting. So you work your hands as fast as possible. So here, that's what you want to see. Now, we're going to go in with our ice cold water. Gradually add that. That's the final amount. Squeeze it together. Just mold it. Wipe the bowl clean. What the ice cold water does is to bring back that butter to the temperature that it was in the fridge, so you don't get the butter melting on you, right? Especially if you're using hands. Thus, our work surface, we just mold it. Just press it. Nice soft dough, that's what you're looking for. Don't want to overwork this. Just put that in a ball. So now that you have that made up, just gonna get some plastic wrap. Ensure you seal it properly so no air doesn't go in. Just gonna pop this in the fridge 30 minutes at minimum, and that should be golden. You're gonna take it out and roll out your dough. Make whatever you're about to make. And there you go, short crust pastry made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.